Welcome NEET aspirants. In this video, I will show you how to attempt section B of NEET Zoology paper. Earlier, I have already made one video on how to attempt section B of Botany paper. The link is in the description. You can also access it by clicking on this I button. The questions in this section are from ReExam NEET paper, which was held on 23 June of this year. So familiarize yourself with the rules. The rules are you will be given 15 questions in section B, and out of 15, you will have to pick 10 best answers. So, what are 10 best answers? The ones in which you are 100% confident. And mark only those 10 answers on the OMR sheet. So, before beginning, let me turn on the timer. Okay, let's begin now. Question number 186. So all these names are the female reproductive system. So hymen is a frequently asked question. So first attempt this. Hymen is a thin membrane-like structure covering vaginal opening. Yes, this is the one. So C is 4. C4 luckily is in option number 1 only. So see, we have the answer with us. Option 1, 186. So do not mark it on the OMR sheet. Okay. First, we will just write everything here and then we will pick the best answer. So 186 is 1. Next. 187. Aneuploidy is a chromosomal disorder where chromosome number is not the exact copy of its haploid set of chromosomes due to. So it is asking what is the reason. So it is not exact copy because there is either gain or loss of chromosome. So gain is shown by addition and loss by deletion. Substitution, translocation, inversion cannot be the answer. It doesn't change the number. Okay, so B and C are the causes. So B and C is the answer. Option number 4. 187 is 4. 187 is 4. Next. Two statement question. Try to avoid it. 188 I'm avoiding. 188 skipped. Next one. 189 again multi-statement question. Avoid it. Skip it. Next. This is multi-statement, but there are just one word. So we can attempt this. Following are steps involved in the process of PCR. So steps of PCR. First one, annealing, amplification, denaturation, treatment, and extension. So the mnemonic for PCR is DAE. Denaturation is the first one. So C is C. The other one is A, annealing. Annealing cannot be the first step. And D, treatment with Taq polymerase and deoxyribonucleotides. When we actually do the PCR in the Eppendorf tube, we will have to make everything, the PCR mix, and then we begin the process. So D can be the answer. Then D is followed by B. B is amplification, so this is wrong. Okay, so we have the answer with us. Option number 1 is the right answer of this question. 190 is 1. 190 is 1. When I will make a detailed video, I will tell you how the PCR is set up. Okay. Then two statement question, avoid it. 191, avoid it. If needed, I will come back here. Next one. Okay, back to back, two statements have come. So let's not avoid this. Attempt it. Given below are two statements. Concentrically arranged cisternae of Golgi complex. Concentrically arranged cisternae of Golgi complex are arranged near the nucleus. Yes, they are arranged near the nucleus with distinct convex cis. Cis is convex, correct? Or maturing is wrong because cis is the forming phase, and concave trans, this is correct, forming phase. So they have, this is a mismatch, and therefore this is the wrong statement. Next one, number of proteins are modified in the cisternae of Golgi complex, correct, before they are released from the cis phase. They are released from cis phase. This has made it incorrect. So this should have been trans. So because of this, the statement is wrong, and because of this and this, the statement is wrong. Both statements are wrong, and therefore we have this as the answer. Both statements are wrong. False. 192 is 192 was 4. 192 is 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 till now. Okay, next. So how many we have skipped? 1, 2, 3. So we can skip 2 more also. Match list 1 with list 2. Parturition. Parturition is fetal ejection reflex. A is 3. A3 is in 1 and 4. Then B is also common. B4 is common. C is either 1 or 2. C is colostrum. Colostrum is, yeah, it is several antibodies. It cannot be 2. Collection of ovum from after ovulation. No, fimbriae. So C is 1. Option 1 is the answer. 193, 1. 193. Okay. Next one. Okay, we cannot avoid it. Let's attempt it. Given below are two statements. One is labeled assertion and other is reason. So assertion statement says members of subphylum vertebrates possess notochord. Members of subphylum vertebrate possess notochord during embryonic period. Correct. The notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adult. This is correct. Yeah, so notochord is replaced either by cartilage or vertebral column. Correct. Bony vertebral column. Yes, everything is correct here. Correct. This is true. Reason statement says, thus all chordates are vertebrate. This is frequently asked, and this is incorrect statement. Vertebrates are chordate. All vertebrates are chordate, but all chordates are vertebrate. This is incorrect. This is false statement. So we have option 1 as the answer. 194 is 1. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more we need. Out of 6, 4 questions. Okay. The mother has A positive blood group, father has B positive, and the child is A positive. What can be the possibility of genotypes of all three? Here they have given mother, this is mother, and then father is B positive, and the child is A positive. So because child is A positive, father is B positive, this indicates that the child is heterozygous for I gene. Okay, so and father definitely will be heterozygous. Mother, we are not sure whether she is heterozygous or not. This we are not sure. So both are possible with mother, but this is confirmed. Okay, so we will look for heterozygous child. A. Heterozygous A. Heterozygous A is here. Heterozygous A is here and here. Then next, the father will be heterozygous B. This is heterozygous B. This is not. Okay, rule this thing out. And this is yes. Now mother is either heterozygous or homozygous. So here it is homo and here it is hetero. So we have B and E as the answer. 195 is B and E is in option number 4. 195, 4. 195, 4. Next one. Okay, graph. This is an easy graph. We should attempt it, even though this is long statement question. What do A and B represent in the following population curve? This is exponential growth. Yes. When responses are not limiting the growth. Yes. So it keeps on growing. And this one is logistic growth, and when the responses are limiting the growth. Correct. So quickly we got the answer. 196 is 1. 196, 1. Next one. Okay, let us skip this because we only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 and 10 we need. 2 we need, correct. This is statement, this is match, this is match. But this is related to animal tissues. Okay, let's do this only. 197. Select the correct statement regarding mechanism of muscle contraction. Select the correct statements only. It is initiated by a signal sent by CNS via sensory. Sensory is wrong. This is wrong. A is wrong. Neurotransmitter generates action potential in the sarcolemma. B is correct. Neurotransmitter generates action potential. So B is here and here. So now we will have to rule out between C and D. Increased calcium levels leads to binding of calcium with troponin on actin filament. C is correct, yes. So we have the answer. 197 is 1. 197 is 1. Next, skip this. 198. We are skipping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just one question we need. B lymphocyte is passive cell mediated, produce an army, okay, of proteins in response to pathogen. B is 3. Okay, B3 luckily is the right answer. Okay, the only option with this match is option number 3. And we are done with this. 199 is 3. 199, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 questions we have skipped. So we can skip 200 now. Skip this. Okay, so now we have the 10 confirmed answers and we have skipped 5. So now start marking it on the OMR sheet. 199 is 3, then 197 is 1, 196 1, 195 4, next 194 is 1, next 193 1, 192 4, then 190 1, and 187 4, and last one 186 1. And this is how we do the section B of NEET paper. Thank you so much for watching this video.